I'm going to teach you how to bleach the syringe. Ideally, you would have more than enough supplies, so you wouldn't have to do this. But in circumstances where you have no supplies and this is the only thing available, this is the process that you want to use to make sure that you clean out your syringe if you're going to use it or someone else is going to use it. So what you're going to do is grab a pellet, cotton pellet. You're going to put it in the cooker. All right. This is the bleach. You're going to use the bleach first. Pour it inside the cooker. You can pour a good amount because you're going to need it. This is the syringe. You're going to take the cap off the needle, the cap off the plunger, and you're going to use the cotton pellet as a filter. You might think it's all clear, but there might be something in there that can clog it. So we're going to draw it up using the cotton ball as a filter. We're going to draw it up as far back as you can without taking the plunger out of the barrel. At that point, once you have done it, you're going to shake it, right? And then empty it out. And you're going to do this 3 times. So we did it once. Go back to the cotton ball, draw it up again. As much as you can, pulling the plunger back slowly without pulling it all the way out. Okay? Once that's done, again, shake it. Make sure you shake it thoroughly. You want to make sure it gets every part of the barrel and the syringe. Once you're done, spray it out. That's our second time. And now for our third and final time, find that cotton ball again. Draw it up slowly. Remember, as far back as you can without pulling the plunger out, so do it slowly. Once you do that, just pull it out. Again, shake it as thoroughly as you can. And spray it out. And I'm going to put this cap on for a minute because I don't want it to get contaminated with any dirt. And the cap. Now I'm going to grab another pellet, put it in there. We did rinse out the cooker. So we're going to use clear water. Again, this is not bleach water, it's just clear water. I'm going to take the cap off the needle, the cap off the plunger, and we're going to do the same thing we did earlier, but with fresh water. Find that cotton ball. Again, draw it back slowly, 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 without pulling the plunger all the way out. You don't want that to happen. I don't want to pull it all the way back, just as far back as I feel comfortable with. I'm going to shake it again like I did earlier. And I'm going to spray it out. And I'm going to repeat the process. And now for our third and final time, find that cotton ball again. Once you do that, you want to quickly put the cap on the needle because you don't want it to get contaminated with anything, and put the cap on the plunger. Bye.